Hey, remember when they used to give you free stuff just for being a good customer? Well, I got this hat. I've had this hat for literally almost 40 years. I got it at Taco Bell. I have no idea how many tacos I had to eat. I don't even want to think about how many tacos I had to eat to get this hat. I keep it as a reminder of where I came from. I haven't been to Taco Bell in over a decade, but reminders are still good so we can keep on track. Now, today, in the spirit of Taco Bell, I'm going to make some chicken nachos because I have some things that I need to use up. Let's do it. So I have a few days before I'll be going to the grocery store, but I have some raw chicken that I need to use up, Roma tomatoes, part of an onion, cilantro, a lime, sour cream, black beans, some shredded cheese, and some taco seasoning. This is the oil I'll be using to cook the chicken. Got my pan ready. Gonna oil it up. Found some garlic. Some garlic in there. While that's heating up, I'm gonna make some pico. Cut up the tomatoes. I'm gonna dice these up quick. Put these in the bowl. Gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Put those in the bowl. That's a good mix right there of onions, the tomatoes. Now the chicken looks done. I cut it really thin so it would cook faster. So I'm going to put that in the bowl, put it aside. That looks good. Going to put a little garlic in here just for good measure. I'm going to take my taco seasoning and sprinkle some in here. Put some on the chicken. Stir this in while the chicken's still hot. Put it right in the bowl. Use as much or as little as you like. I like a lot of cilantro, so I will be using a lot. Okay, let's stir it up, see what it looks like. I'm going to take my lime and cut it into wedges. I'm going to squeeze one of them right in the bowl. I'm going to take one and use it as a garnish. I'm going to be using these chips here. Got my plate ready. Now I'm going to take the beans and put them right on here. Now I'm going to put the pico in the middle here. Now the chicken. Gonna put some sour cream on top here. Put the cheese on it. Now I still have a couple of peppers left that are dried. I'll use one as a garnish. Put some on top here. Give it a little heat. Look at that. Ooh. And there we have it. And this meal literally took me less than 15 minutes. So if you're cooking this for people, you can make it seem like it's a lot more work than it really is. They'll be impressed.